Rangos, konka omutogo emirian go kuwomiyaga. When a tree is slipping down, it cannot be facing wind, yeah? So we are facing that because we are raising our head up. Maybe we are bringing things on table that have not been there. We are bringing new mindsets in the game, and we are ready for the challenges. So they come and showcase their talent for their revealers. It's okay.
How wagenda no reconciling with?
Yeah, we don't have a bad blood with Azawi. She's a good lady. She was doing what everyone else does when they go, wherever they go. Like going on stage wherever you want, which is a bad thing, but it is being done.
Okay.
But I think scuffles are not the way to go. Dialogue, I believe in dialogue.
Yeah.
I believe in reformation. If you do bad here, you can do better. If we quarrel here, we can reconcile and move on. Okay. Because we are not believing in making enemies. We are believing in making friends. So I don't have any bad blood with anyone, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
But fans who can never heal from that.
Yeah.
Like anytime.
Fans listen to us. As they listen to music, because tewali fan out there, ngatuwuliriza music waffe, understanding that this is who, this is that, and they believe in what we stand for. They were like that because there was a misunderstanding of the situation, and we came out and cleared the air. Everything is smooth for all of us.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Abana bakatonda bali bazina n'abasitani betabamo. So mulimu abantu nga they only want bad publicity, and we have not stood as political artists, though we can't take away the fact that industry was dragged into politics, but we are struggling to make this happen. No one is behind us. Only Next Media is behind us. Only our sponsors are behind us. Only Galaxy FM is behind us. Those people that you will see them on poster. Because if any person is behind you, I think they should also love to be on the poster, like to be shown. Like no one has, they want value for the push. So those people you see on the flyer are the people behind us.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Yes. Why in the city we have our fans all over Uganda, and Kampala is the center of the city of the country.
Yeah.
So we chose to come here for every other fan to find us.
Yeah.
And being ready, we are ready. We are more than ready because we've been thinking and preparing for this for quite a while. Yes, man.
Eno gundi oyinza kugiyita eyokusatu officially mu public eye, eyokubiri kuva kujja wakola last time ne wajja n'okola extra ku fairway. Omuntu ayinza okwebuuza, isn't it too early for Ray G right now?
Eno yakusatu. We had one in 2019.
Yeah.
Then another one in 2020. Then this is the third one.
Okay.
It may be seen as early for that one, for that person that has seen us recently, but we've been there.
Okay.
Yes. We've been there for a while, bro.
Okay. So olunaku olwaleero omuntu ayinza okugamba concert eno gitegekedde in good blood oba okola kakasa, matter of the fact nti obadde nnyo mawulire?
It is in good blood, bro. Tetubukira. Yeah. We always prepare ourselves to, because singa kibadde bad blood, singa tulina concerts nyingi because tubadde wano emyaka mingi. This is just a third one.
Okay.
So we prepare ourselves and take time.
Okay.
Yes, bro.
Olunaku olwaleero oba oyogera ku concert gy'otegese okubeera ng'eri mu town, MBARARA bo ogenda kuba nga twebaliddemu akendo okubeera nga tobawa first hand?
From this one, we are going straight to a tour that is going to serve everyone and our home inclusive.
Okay.
We are going straight to, we will announce the dates and venues immediately after this one.
Okay.
Yes.
Your date was slated with the one of you, the B2C. Njagala okumanya, what is your relationship with the B2C apparently? Ng'omuntu.
Apparently, I have personal friends in the B2C.
Okay.
People that I even have their contacts and we talk. About their show, our management reached out and we saw the poster before. So when we are choosing dates, we didn't even choose the dates of their dates, but the situation at the venue brought us to that. Then we asked them, some of the insiders told us their show was postponed before we put out the artwork. So we went ahead and did the same. We put the artwork out there,
Okay.
and the rest is what people think. But according to you, first thing, their poster was out months back, but it was still, we've not really known nothing, which means maybe something was still missing. They had postponed, according to the information I got from the source that was around them. Yes, man.
Okay, let's talk about the choice of the venue. Ekifo kyewasazeewo okulabika nti otegeka mu concert eno. Okyewulira olowooza you have the capacity, you have the guts okubeera nga you fill up this venue?
The capacity is not me having the capacity, but my fans do. Yeah? Me as one person, I cannot duplicate myself to fill the venue, but my fans will. Because we have fans out there, bro. We have fans out there, and we chose that place because it is big enough to accommodate all of them and freely. They don't kwenyiga, and it is not new to most of them. It has been known for events. That's why we chose it.
Okay. When you talk about today Western artists, ebiseera ebisinga mu badde baba categorizing nga aba regional artists, gwe ng'omuntu, do you want to make a trend to spearhead the fellow artists so that paving a way for them to penetrate into the city?
It is not only me, but and it's not good for only me or those that they call regional artists. It's good for the industry to be free, to relax, to loosen up and be free for everyone. It should be embraced as a game changer for an artist from anywhere to be titled an artist of a country artist. Like you're from the east and you're a Ugandan artist, because you hold the same idea as someone in the central. What differs is a location of residence. You just stay in east, this one stays in central. When it comes to singing, then I don't know who brought the boundaries, but they are not good.
Okay.
Yes.
When you talk about music, ebiseera ebisinga babadde baba categorizing nga abantu abalabika nti you belong from there is a line that gye mubadde mutatera kusala. Olunaku olwaleero oba okitunuulira in the general term of music, how do you rate the Western music to the general music in Uganda?
It is performing well, because first and foremost, I don't understand that irony, that thing, that mindset of Tebasara, because our fans close with our music everywhere. We have fans here, we have fans everywhere, all over the place. Yeah. So okusara omuntu okusara, I don't know, I don't understand that. But musically speaking, our guys are doing well.
Okay.
Yeah, they are improving each and every day, which is good for the industry. Yes.
The packaging of this show, muntu biki byalowooza byolina ebyenjawulo oba the X factor of this event of yours or concert?
First and foremost, to those that have not attended our shows, we've been doing shows in other parts of the country, not in the central. We're experiencing it's a new experience. We're not doing anything you've seen before. This is a new whole experience. You can come and witness it yourself. Yeah.
Okay. Today, tubadde tulina leading bodies of arts, that is Uganda Musician Association, tulinawo the UMF, Uganda Musician Federation. Olunaku olwaleero, Regi, what is your status about these bodies ebatadde mu place okubeera nga ziregulatinga nga zipromotinga ne abayimbi ba art?
I support all of them. The other one is buli emu ina kyekola. I think they are all doing for what they do for the good of the industry. So I support all of them. But they're a good idea. I'm behind or in front of them. I'm with them. Yeah. Sija gamba mundi wachina techidi, because all of them have good ideas for the industry, and that's good for all of us. We should be in all of them if possible. Yes.
Okay. Gwe nga okuba omulanga naddala abantu the fellow artists banakatemba bonna support kijosubira gye wandyetaaza okubeera nga this is a mega show egenda okulabika nti setting history oba buzz high.
I call upon everyone to be part of this, and in the future when the industry is free and everyone is free to stand wherever they be and release a song and it works for everyone. I'm calling everyone to be part of it and be like I was there. Okay. I was part of this when it was changing.
Okay.
Yes.
Should we expect a number or a percentage of artists Nadala kuva where you come from, the place that has been minimized okuberanga they grace this stage era baani betugenda okubanga tulabako?
Of course, yes. You're going to see most of them. Some you know them, some you don't know them.
Yeah.
They're going to be many, even in the east, even in the north. You're going to see many of them. Yeah.
According to input gyoteka mu music,
yes, ma'am.
Are you already getting back enough revenue okusinzira ku kyotekamu?
Yes, I'm getting almost everything from music. Starting from exposure, being with you here, asking me these things, you're sharpening me. So I'm getting exposure, I'm getting livelihood, I'm changing my life here and there. I'm getting everything from music. So.
Okay. When you say you're getting everything in music, chiba kitegeeza already certified. There is a general talk of town which is from the side of artists. Buli omu agamba we need copyright in place. What is your take about copyright as far as our arts industry is concerned?
First of all, when I say everything, it doesn't mean I'm satisfied. I mean everything that is there, and there's everything that is not there. So we are still pushing for that. And for the copyright, this is what we want. We want to be like when you retire, you still harvest from your craft. Yeah. When you release a song, you don't have to push and have to be booked. Only booking is to bring something on table. We all want that. And we are pushing for that. And we are praying for it to happen.
Okay.
Yes.
As we come to the fin of this interview, mbadde nsaba oyongera okulabika nti enlighteningamu abantu bategeeze the real dates, time, and of course the fee of this concert.
Ennaku z'omwezi ziri 10 Ogwokutaano. The press is oba venue eri Lugogo Cricket Oval. Okuyingira $200 ku kwetaano. Emmeeza tulina ey'akakadde n'obubiri. Yes.
Concerts ennaku zino zitera okubeerako n'abakulu okuva mu bitongole bya gavumenti. Tusuubireko omugenyi omukulu ku event yo.
Concert yaffe buli muntu yenna ayingira mugenyi mukulu. Naye everyone is welcome. Okay. Everyone. Tutulina gwe tugoba. Maybe ng'ozze kulwana kubba busimu kola ki, but everyone is welcome.
Okay.
We are here for everyone.
Okay.
It's one nation, Uganda, and it's for all of us.
Okay. Thank you. We wish you the best for this coming event and all the best.
Thank you very much. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Abantu bitu bambara na bulonjerizo bayona ntubeta kwizo show kandi tubaterireho embera yo kwija kugira ngo nzakoragana na global coaches kurebuka ngo twija kuno on a reduced cost of transport and a reduced early bird ticket. Okay. Yeah, tuntubeta mwena ngo muje chemerwe kumwe. We are going to unveil that next week. Tickets nzakuba tuzitunga ha Momo kuzugura Momo kujugura karoka bujine. Then there's hard copies nzakuba tuzitambuza like in those places wherever you'll be. Nzakulebuka ngo after a whole outlet ya tickets. Nzakubi unveilinga next week.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okurugiro mbana bambaro nabire okagenda watunga rangos n'abashongozi ba Central.
Yes.
Eshaje no basaka
kugira ngo tindatunjire rangos konka omutogo emiryango go kuwo muyaga. When a tree is slipping down, it cannot be facing wind, yeah? So we are facing that because we are raising our head up. Maybe we are bringing things on table that have not been there. We are bringing new mindsets in the game, and we are ready for the challenges. So they come and showcase their talent for their revealers. It's okay.
How wagenda no reconciling with?
Yeah, we don't have a bad blood with Azawi. She's a good lady. She was doing what everyone else does when they go, wherever they go. Like going on stage wherever you want, which is a bad thing, but it is being done.
Okay.
But I think scuffles are not the way to go. Dialogue, I believe in dialogue. Yeah. I believe in reformation. If you do bad here, you can do better. If we quarrel here, we can reconcile and move on. Okay. Because we are not believing in making enemies. We are believing in making friends. Okulunyanya ebintu ebitugatta ebitufuula abamu not okutwawulamu. So I don't have any bad blood with anyone, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
But there are fans who can never heal from that. And
Yeah.
they're like, anytime.
Fans listen to us as they listen to music, because tewali fan out there nga tatuwuliriza music waffe, understanding that this is who, this is that, and they believe in what we stand for. They were like that because there was a misunderstanding of the situation, and we came out and cleared the air. Everything is smooth for all of us.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Abaana bakatonda baali bazina n'abasitaani beetabamu. So mulimu abantu nga they only want bad publicity, and we have not stood as political artists, though we can't take away the fact that industry was dragged into politics, but we are struggling to make this happen. No one is behind us. Only Next Media is behind us. Only our sponsors are behind us. Only Galaxy FM is behind us. Those people that you will see them on poster. Because if any person is behind you, I think they should also love to be on the poster, like to be shown. Like no one has, they want value for the push. So those people you see on the flyer are the people behind us.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right.